LPG cylinders fall under the broader category of compressed gas cylinders because LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas, is stored under pressure, liquefying the gas to fit more into the container, making them essentially pressurized vessels. Though they use moderate pressure compared to extremely high-pressure gases like CNG, they are a type of bottled gas, stored in pressurized steel containers for safe handling, used for cooking, heating, and vehicles. Since the gases are contained in heavy, highly pressurized metal containers, the large amount of potential energy resulting from compression of the gas makes the cylinder a potential hazard. This video describes ways to safely handle and prevent accidents at home and office. Gases at normal temperatures are compressed into a liquid state for storage by increasing pressure, which allows more fuel to be stored in a smaller volume. The cylinders are designed as pressure vessels with relief valves to manage internal pressure. Household BBQ tanks and camping gas bottles are common examples of LPG cylinders. Before proceeding further, let us compare LPG and CNG cylinders. CNG requires much higher pressures, ultra-high pressure, to compress. LPG cylinders are a specific type of compressed gas cylinder, storing liquefied gas under pressure. Their moderate pressures allow the use of standard steel containers. Gas cylinder accidents, primarily involving liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, are a major, often fatal, public health issue in Pakistan. Fire accidents are frequently caused by the use of substandard cylinders, illegal decanting, and poor safety regulations. Data on fire incidents and fatality is flashed on the screen. In recent years, highest number of cylinder-related incidents were reported particularly in Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi and Gujranwala. Karachi also reported a large number of incidents. The most important step that will lead to an accident-free use of LPG cylinders is to keep them in safe environment and follow the general instructions published for storage of flammable gas cylinders. These have been summarized in this slide. Always properly secure cylinders in a well-ventilated area away from other flammable materials. While using these cylinders, please make sure that proper and correctly functioning regulator is attached to the cylinder. Open the cylinder valve slowly. Stand to the side of regulator when opening valve. Please always remember that the greatest hazard to a user of compressed gases is asphyxiation. Except for oxygen and air, all gas is an asphyxiant. This means one can become unconscious or even pass away after inhaling gas. Few more precautions that will ensure safety and keep fire incidents away while using LPG cylinders at home are shown in red color on the screen. Print this slide and display in your kitchen. Follow these instructions and enjoy safe and tasteful cooking.